Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon EC2 auto-scaling supports final validation time for instance refresh. This feature allows you to conduct necessary validation or testing before marking an instance refresh as successful. You can use this time to monitor the health of updated instances, address any last-minute issues, and confirm a successful deployment. During the final validation period, you can also take advantage of manual or automatic rollbacks as needed to revert any changes. This ensures that your auto-scaling group is deployed successfully and without errors. The final validation time provides an extra layer of control and flexibility when updating instances in your auto-scaling groups using instance refresh checkpoints. These checkpoints enable you to validate the health of replaced instances at different stages, giving you more confidence in the deployment process. AWS has announced support for UDP protocol on AWS Private Link over IP4 and IP6, as well as on dual-stack network load balancers over IP6. This new capability enables customers who use AWS Private Link to access UDP-based applications such as media streaming, gaming, VoIP, and other applications. Customers can now create a UDP listener on their existing or newly created dual-stack NLBs, which support both IP4 and IP6 and can process client requests that use either IP version. This means that clients can connect to services over AWS Private Link using the UDP protocol, just like they access TCP-based services today. Additionally, customers who access services over AWS Private Link can create VPC endpoint of type interface to access UDP-based endpoint services, providing a seamless and secure way to communicate with these services. There are no additional charges for this capability, as standard charges for AWS Private Link and Network Load Balancer apply. This new capability is available in all commercial AWS regions and the AWS GovCloud regions, making it accessible to a wide range of customers. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL Limitless Database is now generally available, offering unparalleled scalability for relational database workloads. This new capability allows users to scale their Amazon Aurora cluster to millions of write transactions per second and manage petabytes of data while maintaining the simplicity of operating inside a single database. This breakthrough technology eliminates the need for custom application logic or managing multiple databases, providing a seamless scaling experience. With Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL Limitless Database, distributed query, planning, and transaction management are handled automatically, removing the complexity associated with scaling relational databases. One of the key benefits of this new capability is its ability to scale compute resources while staying within a specified budget. This means that users can allocate resources based on demand without having to provision for peak usage. Additionally, when demand is low, compute resources will automatically scale down to minimize waste and optimize costs. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL Limitless Database is available with PostgreSQL 16.4 compatibility in several AWS regions, including Asia-Pacific and Europe. To learn more about this groundbreaking technology, visit the Amazon Aurora documentation or create an instance of Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL Limitless Database in just a few steps through the Amazon RDS console. Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet model is now available in the AWS GovCloud region, offering intelligence that ranks among the most intelligent in the world. This marks a significant development for customers of Amazon Bedrock, as they can now access this high-performing foundation model at 1/5 the cost of Claude 3 Opus. Additionally, Anthropic's Claude 3 Haiku model is also available in the AWS GovCloud region. This compact and fast model provides an affordable option for customers looking to build and deploy generative AI applications with high intelligence capabilities. Amazon Aurora supports rolling upgrades for operating system upgrades, allowing seamless OS version upgrades while maintaining read access to data. The feature applies upgrades to a few reader instances at a time, enabling the database to continue serving read traffic for clusters with more than one reader instance. This ensures that customers can maintain read availability during OS maintenance activity. Rolling upgrades will automatically be used for all OS upgrades, providing a convenient and efficient way to perform upgrades without disrupting service. Amazon Keyspaces now supports user-defined types, allowing you to continue using custom data types defined in your Cassandra workloads without making schema modifications. You can use user-defined types in the primary key of your tables, enabling indexing on more complex and richer data types. This feature also enables you to create data models that are more efficient and similar to real-world data hierarchies. The AWS console provides an intuitive way to create and view nested UDTs that are several levels deep, further streamlining your experience with Amazon Keyspaces. Support for user-defined types is available in all commercial AWS regions where AWS offers Amazon Keyspaces. SES Mail Manager has announced 3 new features to improve interoperability, security, and compliance. Firstly, authenticated connections to ingress endpoints via TCP port 587 are now supported, enabling the replacement of on-premise mail servers such as Exchange or Postfix servers that are already configured to use this port. Secondly, verified customer identity enforcement is introduced when using Mail Manager SMTP relays, along with the ability to create rule conditions that search and utilize MIME headers for routing logic. This enhancement provides a more robust relaying behavior compared to relying only on allow-listed IP addresses, as it inserts a custom header identifying the specific customer source. Lastly, message envelope search for Mail Manager archives is now enabled, allowing customers to differentiate between named and blind copied recipients when searching and exporting archived messages. AWS WIF is now available in the AWS Asia Pacific region, offering a web application firewall that protects resources against common web exploits and bots. This service helps ensure availability, security, and resource efficiency for your web applications. You can use AWS WAF to protect various resource types within this region, including Amazon CloudFront distributions, Amazon API Gateway REST APIs, Application Load Balancer, OS AppSync GraphQL API, AWS App Runner, AWS Verified Access, and Amazon Cognito user pools. AWS Supply Chain now offers embedded analytics powered by Amazon QuickSight, enabling customers to create custom reporting and analytics for their supply chain data. This feature provides out-of-the-box supply chain dashboards that can be modified based on individual needs. Customers can access their data in the AWS Supply Chain Data Lake directly from the embedded interface without having to leave the application. The out-of-the-box dashboards offer a starting point for creating custom reports and analytics, allowing users to focus on analyzing their data rather than building it from scratch. The analytics feature solves a key challenge faced by customers who need to create custom analytical reports and dashboards using their data in AWS Supply Chain. It provides a unified, configurable, and scalable console for operational analytics, enabling users to gain deeper insights into their supply chain operations. AWS Supply Chain Analytics powered by Amazon QuickSight is available in allowing customers in this region to take advantage of the new feature. AWS enhances the Lambda application building experience with VS Code IDE and AWS Toolkit by introducing a new Getting Started experience that simplifies the development process. This streamlined walkthrough assists developers from setting up their local environment to running their first application on the cloud. The experience guides developers through tooling installations and configurations required for building Lambda-based applications, making it easier to set up their local environment. Additionally, AWS provides a curated list of sample application walkthroughs that guide developers step by step through coding, testing, and deploying their applications in the cloud. Developers can also take advantage of easy access buttons for one-click build, deploy to cloud, local or remote invoke, and integration with the AWS Infrastructure Composer, providing a visual application building experience directly from the IDE. If you enjoyed this video, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.